Today we're looking at a 2014 Buick Encore. Customer brought it in because they noticed some oil leaking from the engine. Weren't quite sure where it was coming from, what was going on. We brought the vehicle in and noticed that the valve cover gasket was sucked in, letting the oil leak past it. And it turns out that on these particular vehicles, there's a little valve inside of the intake manifold, and apparently that valve can break off and get sucked into the engine.
There should be a rubber diaphragm in there, and it's gone.
And that allows the vacuum to be unregulated in the motor, causing these issues where different gaskets get sucked in because there's so much vacuum inside of the engine once that valve is not releasing it like it should. It turns out that they make a new updated intake manifold that has a valve in it that can't break away like the original one does. As seen here, this orange indicator is what that valve is. Let the customer know that there was an updated version to prevent this problem from happening in the future. Went ahead and got the repair done. Test drove the vehicle to make sure that the same situation didn't occur again. We're satisfied the repair has been made correctly. Let the customer know it was ready to go. Sometimes we run into these things where there's updated versions for parts that maybe weren't perfectly made to start with, that we can get the vehicle repaired and be comfortable knowing that that will not be an issue in the future, such as this example. So if you have a vehicle that's running erratically, or maybe you're noticing some oil spots in your driveway that weren't there before, please give us a call. We do offer free inspection for that type of thing. My name is Dan. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. Thanks for watching the video. Please share the video so other people in your situation can get the information.